the opposition India bloc seems to be split wide open. It's the issue of leadership that has driven a wedge between the allies. The TMC is pushing for Mamata Banerjee to be declared the leader of the India bloc. This after the West Bengal Chief Minister herself proposed her name to lead the alliance. Other alliance partners like the Shiv Sena UBT and the NCP Sharad Pawar have also backed Mamata Banerjee, even as other partners have come out to question Rahul Gandhi's credibility as a leader.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj ki.
The India bloc united with the aim of stopping the Modi juggernaut in the run-up to the 2024 elections is divided again. And this time, it's the issue of leadership that has split the allies. With Mamata Banerjee throwing a hat in the ring as a potential leader of the bloc, the TMC once again has renewed the call for the West Bengal Chief Minister to take charge.
Narendra Modi, BJP versus the Congress, they have only 10% strike rate.
Right.
If you look at the BJP and the Trinamool Congress, with Mamata Banerjee leading the Trinamool, it's 70%. The firebrand leader who can give a challenge to Narendra Modi ji is Mamata Bandyopadhyay.
The chorus for Mamata Banerjee to lead the India alliance got louder after the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi's absolute decimation in the state assembly elections. With Congress proving to be the weakest link, once again, Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray faction and the NCP Sharad Pawar faction too are rooting for Mamata Banerjee now. RJD on the other hand has put forward Lalu Yadav's name.
बिहार में आरजेडी श्री तेजस्वी यादव जी नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं। ड्राइविंग सीट पर आरजेडी है और बिना आदरणीय लालू प्रसाद जी के बिहार में भाजपा के खिलाफ लड़ाई की कल्पना भी नहीं की जा सकती है।
Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge is the leader of the India bloc right now, but it's knives out for Rahul Gandhi too. Samajwadi Party leader Ram Gopal Yadav has questioned the Congress MP's credibility as a leader.
नहीं, राहुल गांधी तो अब भी इंडिया गठबंधन के नेता नहीं। राजनीति में कोई साधु संत तो बन के आते नहीं। सब पद चाहते हैं, चाहे लोकसभा का चुनाव हो चाहे विधानसभा के चुनाव हो। कांग्रेस ने कहीं अच्छा परफॉर्म कर नहीं पाया, तो संभवतः ये लोगों में चर्चा रहती है कि हो सकता है कि नेतृत्व में परिवर्तन किया जाए। बिना गठबंधन के इन तिकड़मी लोगों को हराया नहीं जा सकता।
The Congress also finds itself isolated when it comes to the Adani Rao. Both the TMC and the SP stayed away from Congress's protest again on Monday.
We are not concerned about the downfall of Congress party or failure of the leadership of Sri Rahul Gandhi. The Congress party as well as the members of the India alliance, they have already told that Rahul Gandhi has failed in taking the alliance together or to lead the alliance.
Smarting after stopping the BJP juggernaut at 240 in the general elections, the recent reverses in Haryana and Maharashtra have widened the cracks in the opposition. Will these fault lines get bigger, or can these parties find common ground again? Bureau Report, India Today.